Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can add your own watermarks to your images and photos on Lightroom in 2026. So let us get started. So access your image or photo on Adobe Lightroom Classic, for example, and what you want to do is click into edit here in the top left, and from that menu below what you want to do is select edit watermark here. That is going to redirect you to the watermark editor on Adobe Lightroom. So there are several ways I can do this, guys. You may, for example, enter your custom watermark text here, like, I don't know, my artwork or something like that, and you would see here in the preview that watermark. Now you can, of course, increase its size and also decrease it if you like, and that would basically be your watermark. Now you can here to the right also, that's option number 2, select the watermark style to graphic, and after that simply navigate to your logo, let's say saved as a JPEG file on your device. Let me upload it and use it, for example, as a logo here in the bottom right corner, and that one as well can be, for example, resized. And you can do also these, or go through these image options here. Or if you'd like to switch back to text option, select text, and then you may, for instance, change your watermarks text or text watermarks font, the style, the alignment, the color, the opacity, for instance, if you'd like to have it slightly more transparent, highlighted. And after that, what you want to do is, for example, play around with the shadow effects, with the opacity of it, the opacity of the watermark itself here, for instance. And if you, for instance, move the opacity of the watermark effects to almost 0, the watermark will be barely visible. So if you leave it at 100%, it will be clearly visible. And that's basically it. Click into save here to add it to your image. Give it a name, like my watermark, for instance. Click into create. And the watermark will then be added to your image once you have saved it or exported it, for example. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.